Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan. I am BBA student. My roll number is 16018. Topic of today's conversation is Surah Hujurat. Surah Hujurat consists of 18 verses. The main topic of this surah is manners. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala teach us manners in this surah. The literal meaning of Hujurat is a lot of room, houses, apartments. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of the most affectionate, the most merciful. يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تقدموا بين يدي الله ورسوله واتقوا الله إن الله سميع عليم. O believers, exceed not over Allah and His Messenger, and fear Allah. Undoubtedly, Allah hears, knows. In this verse, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tell us that do not cross the line that I and my Messenger has ordered. Like if we take Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tell us to not to take interest. If we take interest, we are breaking down that line, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is clearly warning us in this verse. Second verse. يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا ترفعوا أصواتكم فوق صوت النبي ولا تجهروا له بالقول كجهر بعضكم لبعض أن تحبط أعمالكم وأنتم لا تشعرون. O believers, raise not your voice in the presence of the communicator of the unseen, the prophet, and do not shout in the presence of the messenger as you shout to one another, lest your work become in vain while you are unaware. In this verse, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tell us not to speak loudly in front of the Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, just like you shout to each other in old times in villages. Sahaba Iqra used to shout to each other while talking easily. So in this verse, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tell us that do not shout. It is not a good manner, and if you do, your good deeds will be in vain, and you don't even aware about it. Third verse. إن الذين يغضون أصواتهم